Yeah, big and bad, straight up to the time. Yeah. Well, let me say a pleasant morning to each and everyone out there. Yeah, they are get ready to go to work. You see me? But I have to say something. I know that way Mama P, which the Honorable Portia Simpson Miller speak yesterday on the budget debate. And I tell you, me have to congratulate this woman, yeah. Trust me. She did say something which is so true. You see me? I don't know if some I wanna watch it, but them things are important thing on TV when I wanna see the leaders them attack and the ministers them attack about the country and what them do. But she really and truly defend what our government is doing in a power and the previous government in a power now. She defend the poor about the tax package where the government in a power show up on the poor. Yes, what I say. So I have to congratulate the Honorable Portia Simpson Miller straight because she really and truly not just only defend the poor and not because she's an opposition now, but she's the last it's the last budget debate she gave, which was a beautiful one, trust me. I congratulate her for what she do. And even though the government said they not roll back nothing, you see me, but she tell them say this is not prosperity, this is taxperity, which is so true. That's what I say. This lady is an icon, you know. Yeah man, this lady is an powerful woman. You see what I say. So anywhere in the world she get, may the good Lord protect her and cover her, you see me. Me not follow nobody and talk nothing about the honorable lady, you see me. She did work when she was in power, you see me. Some of you might not see, but she walk. Yeah, that's what I say. But I always tell you say this the government in power now is not for the rich, it's always for the poor because in Mrs. Simpson Miller budget debate, she mentioned that the poor people will always pay more and the man will have a little business and a little shop, you see me, in the garrison or uptown or downtown as a poor man will always pay more. The man will have him vehicle will always pay more for fuel. So it's not lie. So I tell you this, the government in a power right now don't really give a damn about um poor people. But a whole, this woman here, Portia Simpson Miller, is more like for the poor. That's what I say. Trust me. She defend the poor. And when I was a little young lad coming up, I see this woman defending the poor. That's what I say. Whether you want like it or not, but I don't me say. You see me? And this JLP government are in a power. I never see them defend the poor yet. More than pressure the poor, more than what the poor can pay. And it is the truth. So me I say, I don't see them do nothing good for the poor when, when you see me. So that is what the green side is all about, to pressure the poor. You see me? But this honorable woman, I have to big her up and and congratulate her upon her budget debate. You see what I say? Straight. Good budget debate, Mama P. Honorable Portia Simpson Miller. I hope anywhere you go in the world, the good Lord is at your side. You see me? Straight. Yeah man, for real. Really, really, really. No joke. You see me?
and the girls. Me love my mother, you feel love yours. Me try nouns, pronouns and the verbs, but this a love can't measure with words. The race up my come first. Shorty, you come next, son of a curse. Me never feel me yet. Me build this song with no regret. When me say, no woman